Hello guys, what is going on? techroomuk here. So for today's video we have yet another product from EDIFIER. This is the EDIFIER M90 100-watt RMS high resolution audio speakers, and they feature HDMI eARC for connectivity with your TV. This is the box of it. If we have a look on the box, we have some specs right here. So HDMI, as I said, 100 watts RMS, Bluetooth 6.0, which is the latest Bluetooth technology, 4 inches, and sub out. On the side right here we have even more specs, so let's go through the ones that we haven't been through. So 4 inches aluminum diaphragm mid bass drivers and full digital signal processing. So if you guys can see the features, you can also connect it with the EDIFIER Connects app. Basically this is the box of it. Not much to see, just how the speaker looks like and the features. And let's go ahead now and take it out. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we are going to put it to the test. We're gonna connect it to our phone. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. As you can see, we have a lot of stuff, so let's go ahead and go through them one by one. Obviously we'll start with the small stuff first. So right here we have some European important safety instructions. Give this a read. Right here we have a quick start guide. It will tell you everything you know about the speakers, how to connect it, different connection modes, and so on. I would suggest give especially this one a read. Obviously it will help you understand what the speakers can do and how to get the most out of them. They have included a remote with a lot of functions, so Bluetooth, equalizer, HDMI, USB, aux, optical. You can choose the inputs or outputs of the speaker, and volume up and down, obviously play and pause. Nice to have a remote. They also included batteries for the remote, which is pretty nice. Right here we have a optical cable. This is to connect the speakers to your TV, let's say, or your PC if it supports optical audio. USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable to connect the speakers, because the speakers have a USB Type-C port, which I'm going to show you guys in a second, to connect them to a USB Type-C device. This is the power cord, pretty basic UK power cord. You will plug into the right speaker. The left speaker is passive, so you will go through them with this cable. This cable is to connect the speakers one to each other, so only the right one will plug actually into power and have all the connections, and the left one will just be connected to it via this cable. It's got a nice length to it. I have a aux cable right here, pretty basic 3.5mm aux cable. And right here we have cable connections for left and right. If you want to connect it with left and right channels, you will go in your device and into the speakers. Pretty straightforward to use. It's color coded as well. And now let's have a look at the speakers. This is how the speakers look like. They look very nice. They got quite a nice size. So as you can see, this is my hand. It's about 1 palm of my hand. Let me show you the connections on the back. Okay, so on the right speaker we have optical, USB, aux, subwoofer in and out. Actually it's subwoofer out. HDMI eARC, that's to connect to your TV. And this is the volume knob. Right here you can connect the volume source. The power cable will go right here, and the cable that connects the speaker will go to speaker out to the other speaker, which is this one. This one is pretty basic. It doesn't have a lot of stuff in it. All you have to do is just connect it with this cable, connect one to the other one, and it's ready to go. pretty much that's it. That's what you get inside the box. I'm going to go ahead and set them up. Probably gonna set them down there somewhere, because to have it on my desk is gonna take me 2 hours because of all the cable management that I have to take off. But I'm gonna set them down there and I'm gonna connect them to Bluetooth, and I'm gonna show you guys how they sound like and how they work. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the speakers are actually connected to my phone right now. It was very simple to set up. All you have to do is obviously plug them in, connect them to each other, and then take the remote, press this button right here, the Bluetooth button. This blue light will start flashing. That means you can open the Bluetooth on your phone and it will look for EDIFIER M90. Click on it, press pair, and that's it. You're ready to go. You don't have to do it ever again. It will connect automatically if both Bluetooths are enabled and the devices are in range. Apart from that, I think it works really good. I'm gonna go ahead now and play my YouTube intro. I cannot play something else because I don't want to get hit with a copyright and my video will have no audio. So I will play that and I will let you guys decide, but they're super loud. Let's go ahead and play it. Besides being loud, they're super high fidelity as well, and they have a ton of functions. I actually love them. So as you can see here on the remote, we have a equalizer, then we have karaoke and some other modes as well for different kinds of music. But again, if you get the EDIFIER Connects app, you will be able to adjust them however you desire. And if you guys want to buy them, I will have a video link in the video description down below. I will have a link for the product, and also don't hesitate to check out other EDIFIER products. They make really high quality audio products, and I've been working with them for a while. They're really great. I never had issues with them, so don't hesitate to check them out. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.